Correct me if I'm wrong, but are you watching today's video because you're looking for some more ways to make money online? Well, if I am right, then welcome. You've come to the right place at the right time, and of course, for the right reasons. In today's video, we are going to be teaching you guys a brand new strategy that's going to help you make pretty good sums of money by doing something as simple as liking videos online. You're probably thinking that this couldn't be possible, but believe it because it's as real as it gets, and we're showing you and telling you everything about it. If you're still doubting it, then hear this out. Imagine getting paid on the daily straight into your PayPal account. Everything that you've ever dreamed of is finally coming true. Everything you've ever wanted, you can finally get it or make it happen. You can finally buy that home you've been dreaming about, or maybe get that gadget that you can't keep looking up on the internet just to admire. Those are just some of the reasons why you need to at least consider today's method out and actually try it yourself, because when you do try it and it proves itself to you, you're definitely not going to regret it. It's available worldwide, so don't even worry about not reaching you because it most definitely will. It is also 100% free, so no investments or fees, just pure work and income. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now we want you to go open up rapidworkers.com, and that should take you to this page right here. Let's quickly go through this website, alright? Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with no more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. We are combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs, while at the same time providing money to everyday users. As you can see in this activity box, these are all of the people earning doing these tasks, and soon enough, you're going to be one of them too. What workers need to do would be to sign up and then browse micro jobs. Then they're going to select the jobs that they like. Then they're going to finish tasks and submit proof. And then they're going to earn money and so much more. Their payment methods include PayPal, bank transfer, and a lot more, so don't even worry about that. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now it's time to sign up, and to do so, just click on sign up now right here, and then proceed to fill out all of the details being asked of you: your name, your email, your password, country, and then confirm that you are not a robot, agree to the terms and services, and before on hitting sign up, let's read through these strict rules. First thing that you have to do is not use any VPN or other type of masking IP software. Next thing that you're not supposed to do is have multiple accounts with the same IP or using the same shared or public Wi-Fi. The third thing you're not supposed to do is having the same IP with other accounts to do the tasks. And the fourth thing that you're not supposed to be doing is doing other jobs of other countries that you are not from. Okay, if you go against any of these rules, then your account is going to be banned and you're never going to be able to use and do this opportunity ever again. Now it's time to really sign up, so click on create account, and before anything else, make sure that you confirm your email address and verify that. So all you have to do is open up your email inbox, look for an email just like this one, and there you have it, your own Rapid Workers account. And this is what it should look like inside. And right here you can keep track of all of your account status, and then you'll see all of the jobs that you can take on. But like we said, we are only focusing on liking videos, so let's go ahead and look up YouTube right here and make sure that it's filtered to most paying, so you'll see the highest YouTube video offers, and then you're gonna get paid a certain amount, and you can see that there. And so that's basically it. That's how you can see everything. That is how everything is portrayed to you. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So you're going to choose any, and you're going to try all of it, and as soon as you select a job, it's going to open up a brand new tab, and basically you're going to see all of the information about the job, everything that you need to know, and you're going to want to read everything, okay, from top to bottom. We're obviously not going to read it now, but when you are on the website, when you choose a job and it opens up this tab, you must read through it, because you have to understand the instructions, you have to know what the rules are, you need to make sure that you are complying with everything properly, you have to make sure that you are not going against any of the strict rules that this job has particularly put in, because again, you are a worker, you must do everything correctly. Okay, so you're just gonna proceed to do it like so, and as soon as you're done with that, you can actually go back to the homepage, go back to all of the rest of the jobs, try everything out, and again, do it properly. Again, read everything out and try as much as you possibly can. Read everything properly, okay? We really want to emphasize that you have to follow all of the instructions, right? Or else you are not gonna get paid. Now, every time you finish a task and you done it properly, you know you did it right, you should notice your points or your money going up over here, and then you can actually do as much in a day and then do even more the rest of the days. So literally that's it, and you are gonna get paid for it. So if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is click on this withdraw button right here, and that's gonna take you to here. So you're gonna follow all of the steps properly, because again, that is important. That's the only way you're gonna get paid, if you follow the instructions and the steps properly. And then as soon as you've completed everything, as soon as you're able to successfully request for a payment, you just wait for 24 to 48 hours and you're gonna receive that payment in no time. So little recap, okay, open up your default browser, type in rapidworkers.com, read through everything this website does, sign up for a free account, look through all of the jobs that they offer, look up YouTube, do all of the YouTube offers, and then look at your money grow. And then when you're ready to withdraw, click on withdraw, follow all of the steps properly, successfully put out a payment request, wait for 24 to 48 hours, receive that money, spend it the way you like, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.